All right, good morning, boys and girls. Great to be with you here today. I'm your video instructor. My name is Mr. Leo Machado. Can we all repeat that with me? Say, Mr. Machado. Very nicely done. All right, our science topic for today is the human body, prevention of diseases. So, boys and girls, I hope you're ready. I'm very excited. I hope you are as well. Sit back, pay attention. Let's start our lesson. All right, boys and girls, I have several questions here submitted by you. So these are the questions we're going to try to answer throughout today's lesson. Why should I learn to stay healthier longer? How can I stay healthier longer? Great question. Should I use soap to wash my hands? How do germs enter my body? And is it true that malaria spreads through insect bites? All great questions that you have sent in. I'm going to make sure I try to answer all of these questions throughout today's lesson. Before we get started, I have a great video I want you to watch. See if you understand why we're playing this video. Let's take a look. Alright, it appears that we have several people here getting ready to sneeze. What is that going to have to do with prevention of diseases? That is our topic for today. Alright, hope you enjoyed that video. I really didn't like it. It's kind of ugh. But we'll see what that has to do with today's lesson. So our first question, submitted by my great students here. Why should I learn to stay healthier longer? Well, let's take a look at these next slides and see if we can answer that question. All right, boys and girls, take a look at this boy here. Raise your hand high in the air if you wish you could be this boy. I don't see too many hands going up. Yeah, if we take a look at this boy here, we can see that he looks very sad. He looks sick, and we can tell that he's unhealthy. Yeah, I don't think anyone wants to be him. All right, boys and girls, raise your hand if you'd rather be one of these boys and girls. Raise it high in the air. All right, you can put your hands down. All right. Yes, I'd rather be one of these boys and girls as well, because if you take a look at them, they look very happy. They're having fun. They're playing outside. And why is that? Of course, because they are all healthy. All right, boys and girls, I have several diseases up here. We're going to take a look at these different diseases at different stages of our lives. So we have diseases here when we're infants. Diseases here when we're children. Diseases here when we're adults. And diseases here when we are older adults. And I know what you're thinking. Wow, Mr. Machado, you have all these diseases up here? All right, I'll make things easy for you. We're only going to focus on those that affect, that's right, children. Why? Because you are important and you are the children we want to look out after. Let's go ahead and take a look at this disease here. Raise your hand high in the air if you've ever had the common cold. High in the air, boys and girls. All right, I see lots of hands going up here. You may put them down. Let's try to figure out why that happens. So our next question, submitted by my great 5th grade students, how do germs enter the body? Let's take a look at this next slide and see how they enter the body. Well, we know that germs enter through our eyes, through our nasal cavity, and through our mouth. That's how they get us sick. All right, boys and girls, I have a fun experiment I want to try. So, my favorite cameraman in the world, Mr. Bernie, can you zoom in on my hands, please? All right, boys and girls, take a look at my hands very carefully. And as you see, I have nothing on my hands. So I want you to pay very close attention as I get ready for this experiment. Oh, Nadia, I have a class going on. Hey, That's my good friend Nadia. Hi, Nadia. How are you? Oh, I see you have a ball there. Oh, can I play? Oh, I like balls. You want to play some catch?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I like playing catch. All right. Yeah. Woo! This is a good ball. I wish I had one of these. All right. Well, I kind of have to go back to my class, though. I'm sorry, boys and girls. That was kind of rude of me to start playing when we're in the middle of class. All right. Let's get back to class, boys and girls. Oh, well, were you paying attention? We were in that fun experiment part, remember? All right. My favorite cameraman, can we go ahead and zoom in on my hands again? All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at my hands now. They look a little different, don't they? How'd that happen? Well, that leads to my next question here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this question here. How did the glitter get on my hands? Was it A, I put some glitter on my hand magically? B, the glitter was on the ball on my friend's hands? C, my hands secrete glitter? Or is it D, none of the above? I'm going to give you 15 seconds, then I'm going to ask for a volunteer to come to the mic, please. Let's go ahead and hit that buzzer when you have an answer. All right, TCV upper. Can I have a volunteer come to the mic, give me your name, and give me an answer?
I'm Tenzin Chuzo. The answer is B. The glitter was on the ball and my friend's hand.
All right. That sounds like a great answer. So I believe I heard you say B, the glitter was on the ball, and my friend's hands. That indeed is the correct answer. It was on the ball, and it was on my friend's hands. Very nicely done. You can go ahead and go back to your seat. So, we had some glitter, and we realized that glitter was transferred by touch. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how that happened. Nadia, can you come back up here, please? All right. Can we go ahead and zoom in on Nadia's hands here, please? So, yes, we see the glitter that was on her hands. Thank you very much, Nadia. And let's go ahead and take a look at the ball very carefully here. Take a look closely, look at my finger. And yes, indeed, you see the glitter was there as well. All right, good job. Great answer. Thank you very much. And now we can make a comparison. Because just as glitter is transferred by touch, boys and girls, germs are also transferred by touch. So we need to be very careful whose hands you're touching and who you're playing with. I'm sorry, boys and girls. I need to stop again. I'm really hungry. I'm going to take a bite of this apple I have here. Oh, which leads to my next question. What will happen if I take a bite out of this apple? A, the germs will stay on the